In today's video, I'm doing a mixed media painting. I have my gold spray paint and then I have a peach and a beige paint mixed up along with some white for my base coat. In this style of painting, I keep my paint extremely thin. This is just acrylic paint mixed with water and airbrush medium. Airbrush medium is just a very, very thin pouring medium. My mixture is almost like water, so I get a really nice blending of color by just tilting it all on the canvas, and also get some really nice mixed media in there with the gold too. I do have some water in my spray bottle in case I want to thin it down even more and just get some more movement in the piece. But I'm just starting by adding some of my colors down onto my canvas and then adding the spray paint. And you can just keep adding paint as you go, or tilting paint off if you have too much or don't like certain portions of your painting. Once I have the paint down that I want, I just start tilting it out, and as you can see as I'm tilting, this is really, really thin and it moves really well across the canvas. I do want to leave some negative space with some white in certain areas, so I'm tilting some of that color down and keeping it towards the left and the middle, and then just white along the top and the side. And you can keep on adding and tilting your piece as long as you want. The one thing that I really like about this fluid art is it's very forgiving. If you have portions of your painting that you don't really like, you can just tilt it right off your canvas and always add more paint, and also add more spray paint. I do love this gold. It dries really, really nicely and it is just super shiny and just adds a really nice pop of metallic color. It did move quite a bit while it was drying, but I still have a really, really pretty area of painting that I like in this one, and I might end up turning it into coasters. But overall, these colors, that peach and that beige along with the gold, looked really, really nice together. Thank you all for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you have any questions, you can leave them down in the comments below. Let me know what you think about this color palette and this mixed media style. It is always one of my new favorite techniques to do, and I really enjoy branching out and having some different styles of fluid artwork to show you guys. I will see you guys in the next one. Thank you.